Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, you probably have guessed because it's a pink bag. Yes, I have more goodies for my Elowin Wild. This is actually a box for the Grace doll, but Rachel Hoffman very kindly sent it to me and asked me to open it up, show you guys, and see what Elowin thinks about it. So hold on. Ooh, even the box is pink. How pretty is this? So I'm going to put links down below in the description box, both for Rachel's virtual doll convention website. She has boutiques there, one for Elowin, one for Grace, as well as other items that she sells doll related on her website. She also has a Facebook group, and if you want to be in on what's happening with her shop and any of the doll releases and that kind of thing, definitely I recommend joining that group. Alrighty, so let's see what we have here. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. Oh, where style comes to play. Dream closet. Ooh, yeah. Isn't that nice? Beautiful packaging. Very impressive. Even the tissue. Alright, so. Oh, how cute. It's themed. Alright. Happy September, doll lovers. Last year, the incredibly talented Diana Vining and I dove into a brainstorming whirlwind for Club Grace's upcoming fashion year. Diana floated the fabulous idea of a Shirley Temple Film Festival, and you better believe my answer was an enthusiastic yes. Your September box is a treasure trove. Inside, discover a dazzling ode to Shirley Temple's iconic stand-up and cheer dress. Oh, okay. Well, before I read all that then, let's see what we have in here. Yay! Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love this. Now, of course, this is a perfect scale for both Elowin and Grace. So they're basically, they're about the same height as American Girl dolls if you have an American Girl doll, okay? But they're obviously quite thinner. So cute. Oh, nice. Shirley Temple, the iconic child actress, often shared the silver screen with adorable Scotty dogs during the 1930s. How cute is that? Oh, I love this edition. That's really nice. Obviously, that'll go with all of my Nema and Elowin dolls. Right. I gotta look at this. How fun is this? Popcorn. Oh, nice props. There's little popcorn pieces. Oh, you can set up a super cute little display. I love to do that on my doll shelf. So, how fun. Look at all these. Oh, and a little something for me for later. Ooh, this is nice. Now, this will be nice for my Blythe doll, too. So, you know. Blythe is always hanging out, isn't she? These are fun. Look at this. You hear those? All right, so this is... Oh, I think it's like a little thing for a dolly cell phone. I believe. Yes, look at that. A little dolly cell. You know, I don't have a doll cell phone, so this is kind of cool. Oh, nice. I love how all of the pieces are connected to the theme. So far, it's looking good for Elowin and Nema. Look at that. She's talking. Can you see there's a screen and a screen there? Very cool. All right. And then, let's see, we have, I don't know. Let's see. See how pretty that is? Really nice color combination here. Oh, look how soft. Oh my gosh. It's a red carpet. It is. Yes, it is. How fun. Oh my gosh. That's super soft. All right, so nice. So obviously we're setting up a little movie premiere for the dolls, and they can take selfies of themselves on the red carpet. Super cute. You know, I used to have, of course it was a, you know, not an original, but I had a Shirley Temple doll that came out in the 70s, but I did not take very good care of her, and something happened and her little, what do you call it? Her hand was getting eaten up. All right, super, super cute. All right, and then, oh, so here is the ideal stand-up and cheer Shirley Temple doll is a classic. Right, so this one came out. It was inspired by Shirley's 1934 film Stand Up and Cheer. So yeah, we all remember that dress. Ideal Ideal released it in both red and blue variations. I did not know that. Capturing the charm and essence of Shirley herself, these dolls are highly sought after, collectible today, a nostalgic nod to the golden age of Hollywood. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Get this out. This is so stinking cute. Look at this. Look at this. All right, obviously you know there's going to be a massive fashion show at the end of this video, but I got to show you. Oh, there's two. Oh, it's got like a little underskirt. Very, very well made. Beautiful piece. Ooh. All right, guys, so I'm going to put the dress on this Elwyn doll. I think she looks really good in red, obviously, and she already has white shoes on, so I thought that was perfect. And I'm thinking I'm going to also try the dress on this AliExpress mini features because I'm curious if, you know, if she's going to wear the same clothes. She wears a lot of the same clothes that Elwyn does, so I'm curious how Grace clothes would fit on her. And so I'll do that real quick, but this is really about the Tonner dolls. All right, just a quick look and see. This is on the minifee body, and it's a little big and roomy in the top, but I think with just a little bit of pinning, it would work just fine for her. Super cute. And I wanted to point out, yeah, impressed with no Velcro. We've got snaps, folks. Thank you very much. We have snaps. All right, so let me unsnap this chickaroo and get it on Elwyn and see what it looks like on an Elwyn bod. All right, here is the dress on Elwyn, and it looks really, really good on her. Definitely fits her better than the mini feed body. I did pin it, but this is what I did. I just brought it over a little bit and put a little pin here, okay? A little safety pin, that's all I did. Oh, and it snaps here. So in the waist fits. It's just that obviously Grace is a little bit more well endowed, shall we say. But yeah, just pulled it over a little bit, put a safety pin there. It fits her really, really well and super cute. And let's take a look, closer look at this little purse. Look at that. Love that little detail. Little Velcro. Of course, there's a little stuffing put in there. So it's a real working purse. Very, very cute. And then, of course, we have the cell phone. I put a little, so there's the back of it. It looks, you know, like a little Apple phone. I'm going to try and use a little bit of this sticky stuff to see if I can stick it to her hand when I set up this little display. So yeah, I've got all the little parts and pieces here now that were in the box. I'm going to set up a display and rearrange my camera a little bit and show you what it looks like. So hold on. All right, here she is, Elwyn, all set up on the red carpet. This dress is adorable. I love, love, love this little purse. This just, to me, it kind of sets the outfit off. And the inclusion of the cell phone and the way the dress is cut, it's got, you know, that, you know, the fitted top part with the floofy skirt. It's got an updated look to it that I think really works, but still it kind of speaks to, you know, the feeling of nostalgia as well. So it's a good combination of those two things that really bring it up to date, but still make it fun and nostalgic. And these are the little cutouts that came in the box. I cut it out. Just taped up the little, what do you call it, the little boat. And you're supposed to put, that's why I guess she put the little dum-dum lollipop thing in there. But I had this little skewer in my customizing cabinet that I use for customizing dolls and stuff. So I knew I had some of these, so in this tacky little tacky stuff. And so that's what I made the little sail out of with this. Again, this is part of the cutout. And then here is a little cutout Shirley again with her little doggy. And I set this up there. You can cut this out, but I like it kind of as it is, and this will cover up this little box. And on the top of the box, here's some more cutouts from the little box. Very, very cute. And of course the popcorn. So she's all ready to spend an evening in watching the movies, maybe with her gal pals or her BFF. We'll see how that goes. But super happy. Think this looks adorable on her. Well, you know how much I like the Ella dolls. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Like I said, I'll have all the links you need if you're interested in picking up one of these boxes. Like I said, right now, as I'm filming this, and I'm going to get this published in a couple of days, there is still the red box available, the one with the red and the little purse and everything. Those are still available on her site. And I believe she's having some other boxes pretty soon. So make sure you check out her Facebook group. And of course, she also has a YouTube channel that's very popular as well. So she will be announcing all the new goodies over there too. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.